Hi, this is Serena Naked Purse Lady, etc. Coming to you out of the box. It's Kat Von D's Grayscale, Smoke and Mirrors it's called, and I'm not sure exactly what she considers it. I think it probably has a doe wand and is sort of like a liquid lipstick meets gloss, but we shall see. Box. Empty. Okay, she included Saint. I don't know if you can see that because it will get reversed in photo booth, but and then this side is Sinner, and I think no, it's not for. Oh, actually, yeah, you do get a scent if you lift the plastic tabs. So I guess I'll test that too. If I can. So I just finished cleaning Selket's area. She has to have a clean area, especially since she's going through the lymphoma treatment. Okay, Saint. It smells okay. It's kind of light, airy, fruity. Yeah. And here is Sinner. I don't know if you can see Selket. She's over there. I'm sure she will come join us per usual, and I spelled that P-U-R-R. All right. Sinner smells deeper and more like perfume when you think of, actually the other one does too, but it's heavier. It's nice, but it's heavy. If you like the perfume Diva or ones that are sort of that bold, this would probably be good. I think you can mix them too. That might be the whole point. But here are excuse me. By the way, these pants are from Black Milk. They have bats all over them. They are really cute. Sorry. You're so cat. So I want to try these on for the camera just so maybe somebody can tell me, give me some better advice, but I think what's supposed to happen is you create an ombre. I mean, if you want to create an ombre with putting the darker gray over your lip like a liner. I mean, not just on the lip line, a little below, of course, but, and then the inside you would fill in with this lighter gray. I don't know if you can get traditional black lipstick and white lipstick to get to these colors. You might be able to. See, it's a doe foot wand, that's what I thought. Actually, you wouldn't, because this is it's metallic-y. She'll come be the star of the show when she's ready. She's a cat. She's two cats, actually, since she's a hybrid. No. I think I'm going to honor the rules of blending, but it has to be distinct enough to remain an ombre. So, let's see. I'm just looking into this. All right. just looking into this photo booth thing where everything is reversed. I guess it's good practice. That's about all I can do without a regular mirror. Maybe a little blending. I don't know. But here it is, and it happens to go with the sweater I'm wearing. The sweater's probably from the 90s. I don't know. Some of my clothes I've actually had since the 90s, but what I really want back are my clothes that I bought at Daljeet's on Haight Street in the 80s. I actually have searched for them on eBay. Well, this is the Naked Purse Lady, aka Serena, signing off. And let me know if you have tried Kat Von D's Grayscale lip, whatever product it is. It kind of feels like it's going to be it's a self-drying lipstick. What do you call it? A long-lasting liquid lipstick, whatever. Now, the real test will be, is it going to dry my lips any more than they are, because I'm constantly dealing with this problem. That will be the true test, besides, of course, the way it looks. Oh, by the way, tell me what you think. I tipped my bangs in burgundy. At first I didn't like it because I didn't like the shape, so I cut my bangs a little bit. And I was going to freshen up the purple and the blue by putting a little green lizard. Is it called lizard green or gecko, chameleon? Oh my gosh, when you get old you forget things. But I was going to put that over everything because I thought it was just going to lend a nice sheen to everything. But instead, it really covered where I put it in this emerald green. But I'm starting to like it, and not because it's St. Patrick's Day. Actually, it's also St. Gertrude's Day, patroness of cats. Patroness of cat of cat butts. It looks like Sell Cat's not celebrating. Oh, there you go. Come on. Look at your audience. You're the star. The audience loves.